Tools we will need for this job: Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. So we take the Phillips screwdriver and we need to take out the 2 screws on top of the speedometer bezel first. The next step here is to pull the steering wheel down by releasing the lever and pull it all the way down, and then we're going to retighten it. We then take the flathead screwdriver and we have to pry out that bezel, that black bezel we took the 2 screws out from. Now that's only held on by pressure clips now, so you want to take the flathead and put it in that spot there. You want to be careful not to scratch the surface of your climate controller. We're going to go ahead and put it down through that crack and push back gently, and do the same on this side. And then we'll have some other spots on the left side to do. Now we're on to the top of the speedometer bezel. This one you just pull out with your hand. Make sure you're careful here. Because these are all pressure clips behind it, if your car is old or somehow they've gotten rusted, they might even break on you. So you want to be careful here. And if they do break on you, you have, at least you have more than one, so you should be fine. And now this trim bezel should be loose and have play in it like so. In order to remove that, we're just going to take it out by the bottom right there. Top of that, you want to apply pressure, not too hard, just like you see here. Apply pressure, then we can pull that out. But before we can fully take it out, we have to take out the power plugs, which are connected to the hazard switch, and also the switches on the left side of the column as well. So we're going to go ahead and press the tab down on the plug and pull back to remove the plug. This is the same process for the left side. And once you have these out, you don't have to worry about them mixing them up because they're all actually unique plugs and one won't plug into the other. Now we can pull this bezel trim out and then slide it up and just lay it on top of the dashboard. And here's actually an overview of the bezel. As you can see, we've got the plugs over here. We got one up there. And we have the 3 on the left side we took out. And as you can see, the pressure clips which we pulled out. And we're careful not to break these. And from the beginning, the 2 screws we pulled out. There's the back view, and here is the front view. So now your car should look like this. You should now have 4 screws left, one in the bottom right, one in the top right, one in the top left, and the bottom left. These are all Phillips screws as shown here. Now all that remains is the speedometer bezel, which you just need to angle the bottom up and then pull it out. And you should see the plugs in the back. They should be green power plugs. And just like the plugs earlier, you'll have to press down on the tab and pull them back out. This one might be a little tough, might take you a while, you might struggle, but you'll get it. And here are the plugs, 3 of them. You don't have to worry about mixing them up since they are all different sizes. And here are the plugs from the wiring harness. So as you can see the tabs right there, press down on those just like we showed you earlier. And that's about it. You just do the same thing in reverse order to put your new speedometer in. If you guys have any questions or like another tutorial, let us know and we will try our best to get it out there for you.